We are pleased to show you the 2018 Soul. The Soul is quick and ready with its innovative, catchy style, a sharp, roomy, and well-fitted cabin, and a comprehensive list of safety and fun features. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, backup camera, steering wheel audio controls, anti-lock braking system, stability control, traction control, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, driver airbag, power steering. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.
We're located on Route 38 in beautiful Maple Shade, New Jersey, or online at fiatofmapleshade.com.